What if the biggest strikes against Iran did not stop the conflict? Hi, I'm Olivia, and you are watching me in the US Updates. Despite major attacks by the United States and Israel, targeting nuclear facilities, missile production sites, and senior military commanders, Iran continues launching attacks across the region. And now, one question is dominating global discussion. How much power does Iran still have left? Satellite analysis suggests Iran may already be rebuilding damaged missile facilities and reinforcing key nuclear sites. While US and Israeli officials call the strikes a success, analysts say the full extent of the damage remains unclear. Only a limited number of independent satellite images have appeared so far. Experts say it could take at least 48 hours to understand the real impact.
Meanwhile, Iran has launched hundreds of ballistic missiles and large numbers of drones across the Middle East, targeting Israel, the UAE, Bahrain, and Qatar. Air defense systems are intercepting many of these attacks, but interception missiles are limited and difficult to replace. During last summer's 12-day conflict, Iran held back significant parts of its arsenal until later stages, which raises a critical question. Was that only the beginning? If Iran still has large missile reserves and defensive stockpiles continue to shrink, the conflict could enter a more dangerous phase. Stay with us for continuing updates.